Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on your LeanSimCorp channel and welcome to another grand tutorial on Sketchup. So basically we have started a new tutorials on 3D modeling and our first choice was for Sketchup and that is what we will be starting. Let me know in the comment section if you want to have tutorials on any another 3D modeling software. Okay, and we would really like to bring that up on LeanSimCorp. Okay, so what we are going to start now, we have Flexsim simulation tutorials available. That is a 3D discrete event simulation software. We have a detailed tutorials on that, and now we have also started on creating the scripting tutorials related to that. And why 3D modeling we need here is that because we can create a 3D modeled version of objects, and that can be imported in Flexsim to make your simulation modeling more realistic and effective. Okay, we already have created videos on how to import 3D model into your Flexsim simulation model or environment. You can have a look at that video. It's already released on our channel, but we didn't had any tutorial where we'll be understanding or our viewers would be able to create a 3D model or have a hands-on, or they can learn 3D modeling. So now we are starting tutorials, which would be a list of tutorials understanding SketchUp 3D modeling in detail, step by step, for beginners, and then later it would be for advanced. Okay, so let us start the tutorial, and do not forget to like our videos, guys. Share with your friends who really like to learn and keep growing. It's going to be a wonderful educational channel. Do not forget to subscribe and hit a bell icon so that you do not miss a notification of our latest videos and tutorials which would be released at LeanSimCorp channel. Okay, so that being said, what we have going to be doing today. Okay, we already have created a video of SketchUp where we have created S24 Ultra. If you haven't watched that, do watch that video, because that is going to give you a glimpse what SketchUp 3D modeling can be doing at a very basic level. So now let us understand some of the basic commands you need to have in your mind when you are working with SketchUp. So you might be knowing that in the Flexsim, whenever you select an object and when you press and accept, the the condition goes off. This command will be going off. But when I press escape here, you see it's not going out. Okay, it is not going to get eliminated. Yeah, but say I have clicked my left mouse button and I have a point for the line, and I can drag that, position that, and click that, and then my line will be done. But if you want to cancel this selection of line, you need to click escape, and that is where the escape is used in SketchUp. So if you have clicked on something and you're creating a line and you don't want, click escape. Remember that escape key is used to cancel your drawing. Now, if you want to eliminate this, just like we put escape in Flexsim and the object selection goes, if you want to remove this command, you need to press space. And the moment you press space, the command deactivates. Okay. So these two things very important while you are modeling in SketchUp. Then what has to be remembered? Say I want to draw a line across x-axis. Then you need to select a right arrow key on your keyboard, okay, which will be fixing that towards your x-axis. If you want to do it for z-axis, click the keyboard's top arrow key and you will be having that. And if you want to have the y-axis, click the keyboard's left arrow key and you will be having that. Okay, so this is how you can click in. So now let us click this and you're going to have a line drawn there. Now again, you see this red color? This is going to ensure that your drawing a rectangle. Okay, drawing a rectangle. Now if I just do this, it's going to be very bad. It's going to be that way, it's going to be this way and stuff like that. And when you just hover your pencil here, if you look into this is basically creating a reference point for you to select, and then this goes here. This is our first plane without any dimensions being created. Okay, so I'll just escape this space, and now if I want to delete this, click on this. By shift drag, you can select this on and delete this. Okay,